Pwede mo siyang headpiece, no? Ayaw niya sa baba, o headpiece niyo na lang. Ganda niya, oh. Oh, i-match niyo lang lipstick, no? Ganda-ganda. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Broche, aka Beauty Mags. In today's video, we are doing another Shopee haul. This is going to be our part 5 for our topic for an affordable, sexy, lingerie, see-through panty haul. And of course, this is from Shopee. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Let's get into our first item of the day. What is it? It's going to be galibog ko na unsa naman siya. Okay, so the first panty is tada! Look at that. Diba amazing? Mag-iiba ng alawi ka talaga dito, guys. See, look at that. See through. Kita ang kung kaugmaon ani. The future. You can see, para kang si ba, baby, boo-boo. Because this is lang kita ng kaluluwa mo. So, again, this is the panty. Look at that. Oh, it got a flower. This is a thong. Look at that. It's a string. You got to tie this at both ends. Like that. Very, very sexy, guys. Para ka talagang si Ivana nito, Alawi. I'm a Tarzan girl. Yeah. Changing every day. Every possible way. Ganito ang effect. Pag sumuot ka nito. This one, guys. Very, very striking. Para kang nabulsay nito ba, no? Para kang si ewan. Hit me, baby, one more time. Look at that, guys, diba? Look at the details. Oh, parang ano siya? Egyptian. Like that. Parang walk like an Egyptian. Alright, hello? Ang lipstick ba? La, 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 la. Bagay na bagay pala. How about dito sa taas? No? Parang fit na fit din yata to eh. Oh, perfect, guys. Oh, parang ano pa rin, oh. Para rin siyang headpiece, no? Para kang si Reynolds, Jezebel. Oh, malamig ka sa dagat. Ay, pwede pala, oh. Or ibang ano na to, ibang Darna. Do you see? Pwede mo siyang headpiece, no? Ayaw niya sa baba, o headpiece niyo na lang. Ganda niya, oh. Oh, i-match niyo yung lipstick, no? Ganda-ganda. It's not really like see-through. No, it has like a mesh, flowery. It's a very affordable, sexy lingerie. You will be amazed when you look at this in person because it's very, very beautiful. Mapawaw ka talaga. Like, wow, parang si Ivana. Last but not the least, nakita ko na ito sa aking friend. So this is going to be our last piece of the day. Ano siya? It's a very nice design. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, ta-da! Look at that. Are you amazed? It's very beautiful. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Sexy? Tiny? See-through again? Makita pang kaluluwa mo nito, guys. Parang siyang spider, no? Look. And then this may pa, ano siya, emblem like a pearl pa, no? Sexy lingerie. Ooh, lala. Shibe. Definitely, I would recommend it. String again, and then this one here, like thong. Only if you have problems with down there, you might have a little trouble. You can see like the imperfections of this, but I don't mind. It's very affordable, less than $1 lang to, guys, no? If you can imagine, less than $1. Tapos you can get like a design like this. It's a budget friendly. Which one do you like the best? These 3 items, a jackpot for me, big time. Highly recommend this. This will end our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also if you like, please hit that thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, my life is changing every day. Every possible way, never quite as it seems. yeah, yeah, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, yeah. She bad, living a little loca. Hit me, baby, one more time.